out of the garden, onion blades. I'm going to dehydrate these and make them onion powder. The onion tops, the white part of the onion. Green tomatoes, cucumbers, and squash out of the garden. Bought these at the store for 33 cents a piece yesterday. Got this something to do with, come out of our garden last year. I got to do something with it before it ruins. This out of the garden this morning. Ain't that beautiful? That was mustard greens. This is cilantro out of the garden this morning. Kale out of the garden this morning. This is Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. I'm still going to clean this kitchen up today. And take it from top to bottom and clean it. Then I'm going to put it all back. I'm going to move the deep freezers and all. And I'm going to give this kitchen a whole deep clean. And I'm going to dehydrate these onions. I'm going to put the onion heads cut them up, put them in the freezer. I'm going to take the mustard greens and the kale greens, cook them today, put them in the freezer if we don't eat them, and then cut the corn off the cob today, and cut a bunch of potatoes up for the freezer, make french fries with them, and I don't know if I'm going to make a video yet or not, because my niece's daughter just turned 18 and we don't know if we're going to go over there or not. So I'll let you all know if I'm going to. Thanks for watching. This is Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. Bye.